Southern Virginia. And in 1951, she was diagnosed with cervical cancer. At that point, she had moved up to Baltimore, and she went to Johns Hopkins for treatment because it was the only place anywhere near her that treated Black patients. So this was the era of segregation, and the hospitals had the quote unquote colored wards, which was the only place that Black patients or poor patients could be seen. And without telling her, before treating her tumor, her doctor just cut a little piece and put it in a dish. And he sent that down the hall to George Guy, who was the head of tissue culture research at Hopkins. And George Guy had been trying to grow human cells outside of the body for decades, and it had never worked. And for reasons that remained a mystery, Henrietta's cells just never died. So they started doubling their numbers every 24 hours. They went from like 1 dish to 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, and then just sort of pretty quickly took over the lab. And George Guy started calling his